spool quilt patterns have captured the hearts of quilters for generations. These charming designs, inspired by the humble spool of thread, offer endless possibilities for creativity and personalization. Today, we're exploring some of the best free spool quilt patterns available, perfect for quilters of all skill levels. Spool quilt patterns feature blocks arranged to mimic the shape of a thread spool. Their timeless charm and versatility make them a favorite among quilters, easily adaptable to suit traditional or modern aesthetics. Let's start with the classic spool block pattern. This simple design involves sewing 6 coordinating fabric strips together lengthwise to create thread patches. It's quick to finish and ideal for quilters of all levels. Use bright, flashy scraps for a modern look or color-coordinated fabrics for a vintage feel. For those seeking a larger project, the Aurifil Spools quilt pattern by Wendy Shepard is an excellent choice. This design features 36 spool blocks and measures 48 by 60 inches. The pattern allows for customization, letting you adjust the number of full or empty spools to suit your preferences. If you're after a touch of nostalgia, consider the Retro Spools quilt pattern by Cloud9 Fabrics. This beginner-friendly project measures 41 by 50 inches and uses simple piecing techniques to create charming spool blocks. The pattern includes easy-to-follow instructions, cutting directions, and diagrams. For quilters who enjoy working with pre-cuts, the Spools Soufflé pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is a great option. This beginner-friendly design uses a layer cake to create a quilt measuring 62 by 74 inches. The spool shapes are simple to cut and piece, making it an ideal shortcut quilt pattern. Lastly, for those who love a twist on tradition, the Spools and Stars quilt by Carolyn Fairbanks Critchfield offers a unique design concept. This pattern creates the illusion of 2 distinct blocks while only requiring you to learn and sew one. As you assemble the blocks, dazzling sawtooth stars emerge, adding visual interest to your quilt. Spool quilt patterns offer a delightful blend of simplicity and charm. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy project or an experienced quilter seeking a new challenge, these free patterns provide a wonderful starting point for creating beautiful, timeless quilts. Want more spool quilt patterns to thread your quilting journey with inspiration? Wind your way over to ilovequiltingforever.com. Happy quilting!